Hey everyone, welcome back. The something went wrong error message in the RBC app usually means a temporary system or network issue. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the RBC mobile app, swipe it away, then wait for at least 30 seconds before reopening it. Next, go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to refresh the connection. After that, log out of the app and log back in to refresh your session. If the RBC is experiencing system maintenance, and try again later. If the error keeps appearing, reinstall the app. Long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. Then head over to your app store, search for the RBC mobile app and reinstall the app from there. This error is usually temporary and resolves on its own, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.